Hello everyone, happy January 22nd. Today we celebrate blonde brownies, hot sauce, and the joy of sweet and spicy fun. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Blonde Brownie Day. A chewy dessert with a caramel twist. A great gift could be a brownie baking kit, a gourmet dessert box, or a festive pan. Do you prefer blondies or brownies? Let's bake the comments. It's Hot Sauce Day. A fiery celebration of bold flavors. A thoughtful gift could be a hot sauce sampler, a chili cookbook, or a spice rack. What's your favorite hot sauce? Let's heat up the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's Celebration of Life Day. A reminder to cherish family and joy. A sweet gift could be a photo album, a gratitude journal, or a family board game. How do you celebrate life? Let's share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.